Hello my dear friends, welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. My dear friends, in this video we're going to see walk-in interviews from Marksans Pharma Ltd. So these are the walk-in interviews on 17th and 18th June, Saturday and Sunday from 10 a.m. onwards at the venue. So here you can see Marksans Pharma Ltd. Verna main plant. So these are the details, my dear friends. Coming to the list of vacancies, they are hiring for QA, QC, production supervisors, packing supervisors. So here you can see the qualification. So for QA, Bpharm, Msc, Mpharm with experience in IPQA validation, training or lab QA documentation. For quality control, BSc or MSc with exposure in handling instruments like UV, HPLC, GC, FTIR, etc. For production supervisors or officers, Mpharm or Bpharm with experience in tablets, capsules, liquids, semi-solids. So packing officers or supervisor, BSc or Bpharm, Mpharm with experience in tableting, capsules, liquids, etc. So the above vacancies are for both Marksans main plant and north plant. So please utilize the opportunity, my dear friends. Thank you for watching.